So what are some job tips that you have for people who are looking to get their foot in the door in the crypto space?
Right. So I think tip number one is like never give up. I think job search can be very exhausting and kind of devastating. You apply, you never get a response. And I had been there myself, applied to a lot of positions throughout my career, and you get only maybe like 10% of people getting back. But to maximize your response, it might seem very simple, but you'll be surprised how few people actually do it. Is like read the job description very carefully, read what the company is asking you, how they're asking you to apply, right? If they ask you certain questions, do not ignore them. Those screening questions are there for a reason. Do not leave like a, NA not available, something like this, not applicable, but actually give a good answer and be to the point. That will get you noticed because recruiters, they have hundreds of resumes, they don't have time, they will just archive, skip, delete, spam half of the applications that look not to the point. So save their time, be very concrete to the point. Cover letter is important. Don't copy paste, just be concrete and explain why you find yourself relevant to this position. Why do you feel a good fit? If you're, and I think there is like two types of people. There are people who are overconfident, who always think like, oh, I'm the best, I'm experienced, etc. And there are people who are underconfident. They actually might be very good, but they maybe have seen someone who is much more experienced, and then themselves, they even sometimes too shy to apply. And even though they might be actually a good fit for a position. I mean, it's very hard to like balance yourself, identify where you are on that spectrum. But I think my advice for both poles is to be, again, concrete and as honest with yourself about, okay, how can I add value to this company without like buzzwords, without BS, like, oh, I believe this industry will revolutionize, blah, blah, blah. No, recruiters do not want to hear the word revolutionize. They want to hear what you can actually add to the team and how you can be valuable, and just show your experience as fast as you can, as soon as you can. And I think my special advice, probably like, or good examples would be, I talked to a lot of designers or developers or content writers in the space, and they say like, hey, help me get a job, or I want a job. And the follow-up question is, what's your GitHub account? What's your designer portfolio? What's your content portfolio, right? Show me the articles. And you'll be surprised the number of people do not have anything to show. And I'm like, so how come you're a designer, you don't have a portfolio? It doesn't make sense. Even if you're fresh out of college and you never had a formal job, yeah, still make up a design, still make up a portfolio yourself, right? Redesign whatever, your favorite app. Maybe you do not like how Twitter looks like. They didn't have to hire you for you to redesign it and put it on your portfolio, and just be honest, like, my take on Twitter, on Twitter better UI or whatever other, come up with a fictional app and design it. And it should be on your portfolio. The same thing with content writing. You don't have to be, even before your first job, no one hired you, you don't really have like official paid work. Write an opinion piece on your favorite NFT projects or on your favorite token. A bunch of projects out there will accept your writing and publish in your blog if it's good. You don't even have to, get published. You just publish on your own website, and it's going to be part of your portfolio, something that you've done, something that is, beyond just the resume, right? I mean, resume is important, but and make sure to keep it simple and like just traditional. Don't try to go crazy around it. But nothing beats examples of your work, right? A portfolio, and you can create it from scratch, right? Whether it's videos, whether it's coding, whether it's content of any sort, images, memes. If you're a meme designer, like, or if you claim to be a grad, meme marketing person, you better have like a few thousand followers on Twitter, and it should be hilarious, right? And
Yeah.
by the way, being a professional DJ and meme is a career, and
It's very hard.
companies.
It's an art. It's
Yeah,
really hard.
yes, especially being a memologist. Memologist is you need to have a unique combination of reading the room, what's funny, what's hilarious, and also at the same time not being too offensive and not getting canceled,
Yeah,
because that
yeah.
is also very easy for that to happen. Yeah, so yeah, basically just show your work as fast as you can right away during the application, so that the either a founder or recruiter on the team can see your value right away. Be short, concise, to the point. Do not, if you're DMing someone on Twitter to ask for a job, do not like say hi and then that's it. Yeah, it's like, there's this website, nohello.com, something like this. It's basically, do not just say hi. Like actually just, say hi, this is me, this is my
Yeah.
background, this is what I'm doing. Here's my ask. Like, please, I'm looking for an internship in your company or in the industry. I have the skills. How can I help? Is there something for me? So be very, very concrete and to the point. Do not wait for people to like, hi. that is the waste of time. No one's going to reply to you back. Yeah, I hope this helps.
Yeah, no, that was awesome.